Hey, we was talking, and you said, let me zoom this back some. When we did your bike that night, and you ran him up out of here, we ain't gonna talk about that programmer scenario we had going wrong.
Yeah,
I thought it was me, but I had to come chasing after you, man, make sure you was okay.
Oh yeah.
And
I appreciate you on that, man.
And they told me you was backing down the bridge. I say, what bridge? He said, I'm on the bridge, Rob. I'm like, man. But I got a question for you. You told me you sent your bike here from Las Vegas to here. Then you flew out here or drove. I don't know how you got here. But you left here. Where did you go?
Well, when I left out of here,
Yeah.
I drove up to Sacramento. Spent the night, drove it on home.
You said you stopped somewhere down in the valley or somewhere where you ran up on some people with your music. Where was you at when you told me about that?
I was in Pound. At the Partners of Pound, though, they had some cats out there that do music too, man. But
Yeah.
it was like, they was some haters, though. You know what I mean?
So what they say when you came up on them, man?
Yeah, his bike was in the garage.
Yeah.
Now he was like, he heard I got some music done, so I turned mine on.
Where? How did he hear you had some music done?
I was telling him I'm going to get my music done. He was trying to get me to come fuck with his partner out there in Palmdale.
Yeah.
I was like, nah, I'm finna go out here to the Bay to Money Rob. That's where I finna go. Because they shit, it be all right, man. You know what I mean? It'd be too much rattling going on and all that shit. And just ain't clear. So, so I got there, man, turned it on. And he was like, let's have a beat off.
Beat off?
Man, I was off
He calling you out like that?
I was off beating him all day long. His father and his brother was like, man, that Rod shit 100. It's clear. He said, plus your shit in the garage with all the little sound in the garage.
Yeah.
And it sound raggedy. So, but, yeah, man, everywhere I take that bike to, man, everybody asks about that music, man.
Okay.
Stop sign, who did your music? Tell him what he did. But shit, when I changed the motor out, I disconnected the battery.
Yeah.
And I should have went through it and saved the settings.
Yeah.
But I didn't. So
Okay.
I'm at the point where I'm at now. I haven't even rode the bike.
Yeah.
I don't want to ride the bike.
With no music, does it make you don't want to ride it?
Nah, man, I can't even do it, man.
Okay.
So I was like, shit, then I'm out here with my brother handling some other business.
Yeah.
I'm close to you. So let me stop on by and see if I get these settings right.
Yeah.
When I go home, I'm finna take a long ride.
Okay.
On my music. So, but still, if I can't do it right, man, my first leg of the trip gonna be this way. If I can't get the music how I want it to sound, because it was crispy and sound, man. I never had music to where, let's say the volume was from 1 to 25.
Yeah.
Even on 25, it's cracking, clear, bass hitting. Oh man, it's live, man. I got that big motor and big pipes.
Yeah.
And I can hear that shit clear, like the bike standing still. Like I say, I don't beat it up like that. I run my little thing. I get in town.
Yeah.
I bump it, but I'm just saying that's how clear it is. Throughout the whole volume set, it just get clearer. The beat smash hard. It just, man, from 1 to 25, I don't know how high it go. I think I had it up to like 25, and it was still crispy.
You was in the game for sure.
Crispy and clean, man. When I take it to work, I get out there and warm my bike up, and I be.
What's your favorite song you warming up to, man?
And I like that Lil Wayne song, man. I like all Lil Wayne songs. He be cool. And I like that old school James Brown. Oh man, them vocals come in and be hit, man. So that's what I like now.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
And so we did what we did on your bike. We did your 2.0 system, right?
2.0 system.
Y'all hear that, my man? 2.0 from Vegas, man. The video coming soon. I'll probably tag this in there.
It was worth every penny of it, man. I never had music like that. Everybody would hear the bike, be asking, man, this shit sound good. Who did your music?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They be like, oh, nigga, we can't afford this shit. I don't be throwing no prices out there, but I mean, you get what you pay for.
Yeah.
But like I said, a lot of the cats, I like it, man, because I like my music crystal clear and my beat punchy, like I'm running 8s or some 10s in there.
Yeah.
All these niggas back home, they shit be woo, like they got 15s in there and just be rattling and don't sound good. It's like, real talk, when me and Dude had the beat off, I swear to God, on my mama, man, I was going through song after song after song. I didn't have to change notes. Every song was clear, beating good. Him, he was like, I swear to God, it took him 5 minutes to find the right song to beat off with me. This don't sound good. This don't sound good. I kept saying, look, man, I ain't got that problem.
Yeah, I just got twisted knob.
Hit the next button, boop, turn it on up. Everybody, even his father was like, man, turn your shit off, man. Rodney, his shit just way better than yours. Just leave him alone.
Just tell him bow down. It's over. It's over.
Yeah. And they run a lot of side equalizers and shit along with their bikes. Like what you got with that board, they run a little JVC, little equalizers with them. Still couldn't do no good, man. So we got the same amp. I think he has some, but they like to run them 5 gauge 619s. I don't really feel those. But
Okay.
besides the point, they got the Alpine amps and all
We're
that
gonna
shit
stick with
too.
the working formula over here, you know, y'all. Y'all see what we got in the background. We stay ready so we ain't gotta get ready. Money's Car Stereo. Better ask somebody. That's how we get down over here. We out.
Yeah, man.